think people either love tofu or hate it, and I turn out to be one of those people who love tofu.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make not one but two tofu dishes. I'll be cooking with two kinds of tofu, the soft kind and the extra firm one. Both are good and can be equally delicious. Let's get started!
A box of extra firm tofu, cut them into thick slices, sort of like this. Now let's dry the tofu off. It will make the pan frying much easier, and a couple pieces of paper towel would just do the job. Let's go ahead and season both sides of the tofu with a dash of salt. We're going to make a quick but yummy and delicious sauce for the tofu. Chopped scallion, crushed garlic, soy sauce, vinegar, oyster sauce, and a dash of sugar. Add some water, whisk it together. Drizzle a little bit oil on the bottom of the pan. You can also use cooking spray. And then we can put down a layer of the tofu. I use medium heat to pan fry my tofu. Every 3 minutes or so, flip the tofu over until you get this golden crusty skin on both sides of the tofu. It takes about 6 minutes per side. Let's go ahead and put in the sauce, and that's where all the flavor comes from. I'm going to increase the heat to high and just give all the tofu pieces a flip so they absorb all the sauce. And we're all done. How easy was that? Our tofu is just full of flavor from the sauce we put in, but still has a very nice crusty golden skin on the outside. Go ahead and drizzle some sesame seeds if you like and enjoy. That's our first dish. Let's go ahead to the next one. This time we're going to fry some ground pork, put in some Sichuan peppercorn, a dash of salt, and exactly the same kind of seasoning that we used last time. Scallion, garlic, soy sauce mixture. Pan fry the pork for about a couple minutes. It doesn't need to be all cooked. Now we're going to use a steamer, a carton of soft tofu,
I'm going to put it on the plate.
and the pork mixture. Steam for 10 minutes on high heat, and then we're all done. Sprinkle some cilantro or sriracha sauce, which is really hard to find these days. Thank you for watching. If you liked my video, like or subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!